Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me MX Master 3 for Mac, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the button functions on this mouse, how to rebind your buttons on this mouse. So basically, first you need to open the launchpad, then you will find here your Logitech Options application. If you don't have the Logitech Options installed, you need to install it from the web browser. So find it and install. Using this application, you can set up your mouse. But you need to install this application from official Logitech website, okay? And great, and as you can see, here we have the buttons. So here we have the middle button, here we have the horizontal scroll button, back, forward, and gesture button. So of course we can use the default options, but for example I want to change the function of middle button, so click on it, find the function you want to use. For example, I open application and I want to open one password, for example. Oh, I don't want to open one password, so sorry. I want to open settings, system settings, using the scroll button. Ring button. So now I am clicking on this link on my mouse, and as you can see, settings are automatically opening. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.